For generations, society believed that Gregor Mendel's research on pea plants concerning heredity was the final frontier in genetic diversity. But now, thanks to the hard work and dedication of American scientists, we have stumbled upon a breakthrough in genetic manipulation for a brighter, stronger, intelligent, and longer-lasting America. But let's start from the beginning, with the help of American scientists, who are not women, to help us understand the basics of reproduction and genetics. The beginning of genetics start with reproduction, and there are two basic types: sexual reproduction and the less fun, unexciting asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, as depicted by the very scientific scientist, who is a man, shows that when the sperms of very dominant American men combine with the egg of the subservient, docile American woman, a new, proud American zygote is formed. Now, asexual reproduction is the less entertaining of the two, obviously, but there are three different types. Binary fission is when one cell divides into two identical cells. This is most common in prokaryotes and like bacteria and archaebacteria. Budding is when a new organism is developed from an outgrowth or bud of another one due to cell division in one specific site. Regeneration is the process of renewal, restoration, and growth that occurs in some form in all species. It happens when damaged tissue is either completely or partially replicated to make new tissue that is similar. Now that we know about asexual and sexual reproduction, we can learn about the basics of Mendelian genetics. An allele is one member of a pair of genes that is responsible for heredity, such as the blue color in a flower or the white color. There are two types of alleles. The dominant allele, represented by a capital letter, is fully repressed in the phenotype of a heterozygote. The recessive allele, represented by the lowercase letter, has a phenotype that isn't observed or shown. The phenotype is the expression of a particular trait, such as a petal color, stem length, or leaf shape. The genotype is the genetic makeup of an organism, depending on its traits. Through reproduction, traits are passed down from the parents to the offspring in order to determine what traits their offspring will have. We use a Punnett square. The Punnett square crosses the genotypes of the parents to show all possibilities of allele combinations. There are two types of crosses used when determining allelic combinations with the Punnett square. The monohybrid cross, which is a cross between homozygous individuals but with different alleles for a single gene, and the dihybrid cross, which is between individuals with different alleles for two different genes. Now that we've seen a few genetic rules in action, we can talk about the laws of Mendelian genetics. Mendel hypothesized that allele pairs separate randomly, or segregate, from each other during the production of gametes. Because allele pairs separate during gamete production, a sperm, or egg, carries only one allele for each inherited trait. When sperm and egg unite at fertilization, each contributes its allele, restoring the paired condition in the offspring. This is called the law of segregation. Mendel also found that each pair of alleles segregates independently of the other pair of alleles during gamete formation. This is known as the law of independent assortment.